third try at this. You can see the island right there. So
cool! It looks like the beach.
yeah, there's a big beach. That's so cool. You can see the boats.
I don't see any boats.
Yeah, there you go.
I just see one boat.
And we're about to land.
I see a building.
Look at that water, it's so blue. Oh my god.
It's a bluish.
And I'm doing this because I don't think any picture would be able to capture landing this close to the water. Oh my god. Oh, it's amazing. Check that out. Oh, that is awesome.